Hi, today we're answering an important question for anyone exploring the cloud kitchen business model. How many staff do you need to run your kitchen efficiently? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but several critical factors can help guide your decision. If you're paying rent and have fixed overheads, running your cloud kitchen 7 days a week often makes the most sense to maximize revenue. However, this approach isn't always practical or necessary and depends on your customer demographic. If your cloud kitchen restaurant is located near offices, you may only see high demand during the traditional 5-day work week, aligning with office hours. In this case, it might make sense to operate only 5 or 6 days per week. Labor regulations also play a key role in determining your schedule. In some countries, chefs typically work 5 days per week, while others might follow a 6-day work week. If you plan to operate for 7 days, you'll need extra staff to cover shifts and ensure your original team gets their required days off. This will increase your resource requirements, so it's important to factor this into your cloud kitchen setup. Some countries also allow part-time workers, and others don't. A general rule of thumb is to have one chef per 15 orders. However, this is not a strict rule, as several factors influence staffing. Dishes requiring extensive preparation or assembly will naturally require more hands in the kitchen. Also, a broader menu means more preparation and attention is needed for each order, so be strategic when planning it. Pre-shift tasks like slicing vegetables, prepping proteins, and organizing ingredients play a huge role in how efficiently your cloud kitchen model operates. Let's consider a virtual restaurant offering cheeseburgers. To serve just one burger, you need to prepare the lettuce, slice and organize the tomato, grill the patty, assemble all components. Additionally, in the cloud kitchen concept, especially when renting from a third-party ghost kitchen, there are typically specific delivery windows for receiving ingredients. These are often scheduled 1 or 2 hours before the kitchen officially opens to avoid disrupting customer orders. This is considered dead time from a staffing perspective, as it doesn't generate revenue but still requires labor, adding to operational costs. These details illustrate how staffing isn't just about the orders during service. It's about everything leading up to them. Understanding your customer base and their habits is critical for any delivery-only restaurant. For instance, kitchens near offices may experience high lunchtime demand, but quieter evenings. Residential areas might see dinner orders surge instead. Tailor your staffing and operational plan to match these patterns. For quieter periods, you might reduce staff or focus on prep work for the next busy window. During peak times, ensure you have sufficient coverage to handle the rush without compromising on food quality or service speed. In the cloud kitchen business, demand often spikes suddenly, as most customers order at similar times. These bursts of activity can create operational challenges, such as delayed orders, food quality issues, and negative customer feedback. By planning ahead and optimizing your staffing levels, you can excel during these busy periods and position your cloud kitchen startup for success. Your staffing decisions also need to account for food safety protocols. For example, handling raw proteins like chicken requires strict measures to avoid cross-contamination. Having a single chef manage raw chicken, cook it, and assemble finished dishes increases the risk of errors. This is especially true during peak hours when the workload intensifies. A well-organized workflow with clear delegation of tasks helps ensure compliance with safety standards and reduces the risk of mistakes. This is particularly important for virtual kitchens or ghost kitchen businesses, where speed and quality are key to maintaining a competitive edge. To develop the right staffing plan for your cloud kitchen business, follow these steps. 1. Analyze customer behavior. Identify peak ordering times and adjust staff accordingly. 2. Set realistic operating hours. Align your schedule with demand while factoring in preparation and cleanup times. 3. Assess menu demands. Consider prep times, complexity, and safety risks for your dishes. 4th, plan for peak demand. Ensure enough staff are available to maintain high-quality service during busy periods. By following these steps, you can build a staffing plan that supports your cloud kitchen startup while maintaining efficiency, food safety, and customer satisfaction. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more insights into the cloud kitchen business and tips for setting up your delivery-only restaurant or ghost kitchen business. Thanks for watching.